Stop blaming your body, it's doing an amazing job holding you up all day. Instead, blame your style choices. Today I'm revealing top 10 most common styling mistakes that make your tummy look bigger and easy fixes you can use instantly.
Be good, stay good.
Hello beautiful people, a warm welcome back to my channel. My name is Elena and I'm a professional stylist, and today I asked my mom to become my gorgeous model and show you the real life outfits that prove it's all about how you style your clothes. Let's get started. Okay, mistake number one, and we're starting with something simple. I'll dive into more complex fixes as we go. So mistake number one, creating a harsh, contrasting line right across your tummy, right in the middle of your belly. Mistake number two, opting for clingy and thin fabrics, especially on the bottom where pants can cling to your belly, highlighting all the details and curves. When these two mistakes combine, they add a substantial amount of visual volume, but don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it in just a second. So mistake number three, wearing a crossbody bag that lands right at the widest part of your midsection, making it look even wider. Always remember, the spot where you place your bag adds width to your silhouette, so be careful when choosing bag designs. Following the same logic, other mistakes that can make your midsection appear wider are pockets on jackets or tops and paper bag pants. All these extra details add unnecessary volume, making your midsection look heavier. Now, how do we fix this look and what details and fabrics will help? First, swap out that thin, shapeless top for a flowy button-up or any top that lands lower than the middle of your belly. Another key point, choose tops that skim over your upper body, following an A-line silhouette. Step number three, focus on adding eye-catching elements to your portrait zone. I'm draping the sweater over the shoulders for this exact reason. It could be a statement necklace or earrings for you, just go with what suits your style. The goal is to draw the eye upwards, away from the midsection, so it disappears. Step number four, I ask my mom to wear the same shoulder bag, but this time we move it higher, closer to the chest area, preventing any added volume around the belly. And here it is, the before and after looks. The same pants, almost the same clothes, but the result is much more chic, effortless, and the silhouette looks so much more weightless and fresh. Now, moving on to outfit number two, a total monochromatic neutral look, but with a statement belt placed right in the middle of your tummy. Since the look is so neutral, the eye has nothing to focus on but the belly area, which can make it appear wider. So an important note, where we draw the eye, this area will appear bigger. This is how the visual illusions work. I love the pants cut though. It's minimalist and pleat-free, no pleats. Perfect for apple-shaped girls, but belts, especially those positioned at the widest part of your tummy, are a no-go for this body shape. How to fix it? Actually, I'm going with the same fix as I mentioned before, an A-line silhouette top that's long enough to cover the tummy area. This time though, it's a striped kimono-style top with beautiful dense vertical lines. When it comes to prints, keep in mind, dense vertical lines are the key. They elongate your silhouette, making you look slimmer. Once again, dense vertical lines make us look slimmer. Next, I ask my mom to roll up the sleeves to reveal her wrists. This trick always works wonders for any shape or silhouette, no matter the size. The tote bag is positioned lower on the body, balancing out the look, and here it is, subtle changes, but it looks so much more modern with a touch of personal style. And a gentle reminder, especially for those of you who are new to my channel, I have developed a very simple yet highly effective style quiz. Take this quiz. It will take just a few moments, answer a few questions, questions, and you will get your personal wardrobe plan absolutely free right to your mailbox. This plan is designed to help you understand what you might be doing wrong while shopping or while creating your outfits and guide you towards better style decisions. Always remember that you are just one click away from transforming your personal style together with me and with my team. Follow the link in the description box and we're moving on. Another tip I want you to try here: ditch the belt. Instead, introduce vertical lines by adding a long line top and leave it unbuttoned. The vertical lines created by the unbuttoned top will help hide the tummy area and elongate your overall silhouette. I'm also adding a statement necklace to draw the eye to the portrait zone, a trick I used in the first outfit with the sweater draped over the shoulders. One important note: the base layer, meaning the pants, top, and sneakers, are all in the same neutral white color. This creates a perfect blank canvas, allowing the vertical lines of the unbuttoned top to do all the work. It might be a short dress, by the way. Think about what you already have in your wardrobe. Otherwise, you're so welcome to check out my links down below in the description box. I spent a lot of time curating the best pieces for you, pieces that could become the real gems in your wardrobe. And always remember, by shopping through them, you support my channel and you support my team. And since we're talking about layering techniques for apple shapes, let me show you layering mistake that just doesn't work so you won't make these mistakes. Outfit number 4. The mistake I spot here is all about the silhouette. Avoid clingy and shapeless pieces like skinny jeans because they reveal all the nuances and all the details. Jeans are too thin and clingy. And by the way, I have a favor to ask of you. Please drop some love for my amazing mom down below in the comments, because she's been such a brave model, showing up and embracing her beautiful, true, real self. Let's be honest, it took me some time to convince her to take part in this styling video, so let's show her some love and support. So now back to the styling. Layering a button-up in the same color as the base layer doesn't make a difference because it visually blends in with the base layer. So even though this is technically layering, right, it doesn't do the job it's supposed to. First off, I swap the skinny jeans for more flattering tapered jeans. This creates a nice structure and balances out the silhouette. Next up, I swap the white button-up for a contrasting one, like this beautiful beige button-up. The contrast creates vertical lines that actually do their job. And here it is, the before and after. So what we did here, we've changed the bottom pieces to something more flattering to balance out the silhouette and swapped the blending button-up for a contrasting one to make the vertical lines work. Casual, relaxed, super wearable, and yet chic and stylish. If you are enjoying my content, don't forget to hit that notification bell and follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of valuable tips and styling tricks on Instagram, so I bet you would love and enjoy following me there as well. Now, let's talk about the best clothing piece to conceal your tummy area. From all the clothing pieces out there, pants, jeans, skirts, actually dresses are your best friends. Let's dive into the secrets of styling the dresses, and I will give you the exact designs and cuts to look for when you're shopping for your new dress if you want to conceal your tummy area. I love this gorgeous dress, but again, the belt is positioned at the widest part of your tummy and the crossbody bag adds extra volume here. Not exactly what we want, right? So here are some styling tools that work wonders for all my tummy girls. First, swap the belt for a statement necklace. This will draw the eye upwards, away from your tummy. Step 2, swap the neutral shoes for a more statement pieces. Again, this helps draw the eye away from the tummy, but this time down downwards and go for a bag that doesn't add volume at the midsection. I love how my favorite pleated bag positioned vertically and away from the midsection creates a subtle vertical line, making this area look more narrow, right? And here it is, my favorite outfit today. You can stick with neutral shoes if you're shorter and word that statement shoes might make you look shorter. Just compare the looks. The same dress, but the right accessories did all the work. And for the last chapter today, I'll walk you through the exact cuts and designs for your dresses and maybe even for your tops as well. So here's what to look for. Choose designs with lines that follow the bust line so it fits relatively tight at the chest. This fitted line should continue down to the narrowest part right under your chest, where you can feel your rib cage. That's where your natural waistline should sit. Right below that point, you want the top or dress to flare out into an A-line shape, creating space to hide your tummy without clinging tightly to it. At the same time, adding some volume at the shoulders helps create that beautiful X-shaped silhouette we all want. This could be a wide oval neckline or extra details like puffed shoulders, for example. Anything that adds subtle volume to the shoulders will work wonders. And this is exactly the cut my mom is wearing, tight at the chest. It highlights the narrowest point right under the bust, then drapes freely to create a subtle flare silhouette. The extra volume at the sleeves balances the proportions perfectly just right. Learn to spot cuts like this next time you're shopping. And by the way, this exact dress is also great if you have wider hips and shorter legs. I will link down below all the beautiful dresses I have featured here in today's video. And one last tip for you today: if you have smaller bust, A-line mini dresses are your friends. They don't fit tight at the chest. The flare starts right from, almost from shoulder area, right? These styles look great on smaller busts, especially if you want to show off your beautiful legs. Shift dresses or A-line dresses are perfect picks. And an important message: this video is my reply to all the comments asking me to create a tutorial for tummy girls to feel confident and beautiful in their clothes. Always remember, you are beautiful and you are perfect no matter what you are wearing. Clothes are just tools to enhance your beauty and maybe channel your inner goddess. I hope I brought you some value today. If I did, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you won't miss my updates. You know the drill. Leave a comment, share this video with somebody who might appreciate this kind of information, and see you in the next one. And you are still here? Good! It means you're ready to watch another video. My recommendation would be how to style any color easily. 3-step tutorial that always works, and believe me, this is the best video on how to mix colors that I've ever produced. You would love it. See you there.